What's up, YouTube? I'm going to show you guys how to fix the earbuds always dying, the case always charging them and dying as well. So say you stop listening to music. Let's turn off your case. If you guys knew about it. Oh wait. So basically when you turn it off, you can't make them charge again unless you connect it. So you see, now you can charge the headphones again. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it off. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, that's close to 8 seconds. See, now they're not coming on. See, they're still on. I got iPhone 6 because the DAC is the best on this. So, we're done listening to music. Let's put them up. Put them up. Put them up. See, they're still on because the case is not charging no more, so they're not turning off. They're still on. Retry to connect. You gotta use your app to turn them off. Switch off. Boom, they're off. So this, leave your app on too until they're off. So this is how you're gonna freaking have them in the case. They don't gotta be charging, and your earbuds are gonna last. Your case is gonna be charging. It's not good to charge your battery over time, over and over and over again. Your battery won't last that long. So let's see if it works when you want them to come back on. It worked for me earlier, but maybe I have a problem. So just watch out with the buttons. Let me put them in my ears. So they haven't came back on. So let me push the right button. Okay, right button on the ear. They didn't come back on when I pull them out. But when I push the right button, it says power on, connected. So basically the other times when you pull them out, they're so sensitive, you're going to push that button, it's going to activate them to turn on. So you see, they turned on. But, see, case is not charging them no more. You want them to start charging? Just plug it up. Boom. They're starting to charge. They go off. And that's how you do it, y'all. Now, I was having problems where if I turn them off while they're in the case, they go into pairing mode. So let's see if that happens. Shutting off the case while they're in there. But that's how you do it, y'all. That's how you're going to preserve your battery and everything. You want them to charge again on your case? Just plug in the wire. Let's see. So they came back on because the case is off now. So let's shut them off while they're in the case. For some reason, while you shut them off while they're in the case and you pull them back out, they go into pairing mode when you take them out. So if I was you, take them out. Let's see if it happens again. Switch off. Alright. So they're off. Let's see when we pull them out. I'll put them in my ear. Okay, it worked. Yeah. You see, when I pull them out, I slightly press the silver part. So yeah. There you go, y'all. That's how you're going to save your battery. See? Case ain't trying to turn them off no more, because you shut it off by holding that button. But that's how you do it. In case your thing's going to pairing mode, just pair them up again. You got to remove it from Bluetooth and pair them up with the app and the phone again. And it should work. But yeah, man, that's how you do it to save your battery. It sucks, but that's how I figure it out.